Hello guys, my name is Devish and welcome to my channel. This is the 29th lecture on the series Python for Beginners, and in today's discussion we will discuss why do we need functions in Python and what exactly are functions. To begin our discussion, let's write a very simple program to add two numbers. Okay, so I'm going to take a variable, say num1, which will carry the value of first number, and inside this I'm going to give a prompt message to the user at the terminal. Enter the first number, and just to ensure that numbers are accepted as int, I'm going to typecast it into int. And then another number 2 is equal to, I'm going to copy paste the same thing here, and instead of first number I'm going to write second number here. Okay, and once I get these two numbers, I'm going to add them using num1 plus num2, and then I'm going to print the sum of these two numbers. Okay, let me run this program. Enter the first number 10, enter the second number 20, and I get the sum as 30. You can write it as sum is equal to, all right, oops, there has to be a comma in between. Enter the first number 10, second number 11, sum is equal to 21. Okay, so this is just a simple example to add two numbers. Let me write some more logic here. I'm going to say subtract is equal to num1 minus num2, and then I'm going to print it. Subtract, okay, and let's do some thing here as subtract is equal to. Let me run this program now. Enter the first number 15, second number 10, and I get sum is equal to 25 and subtract is equal to 5. So basically there are two functionalities which I achieve in this code. One is the addition of two number, and the other functionality is subtraction of two number. Now I want to have some sort of mechanism or logic so that I am able to achieve specific functionality from this code. So like when I run this file, I just want to calculate addition of two numbers. Or in the same code, when I run this file, I should be able to calculate subtraction of two numbers. Now how do I do that? To address this thing, functions come into picture. So with the help of function, we can put this part of code into a specific frame and then execute that frame. Okay, and we can do the same for subtraction as well. So let's do it. The way we write function in Python is we write def, which stands for definition or define function, and then we write the name of the function. So I can write any name. For now, let's write this as addition, pair of round brackets, and then I want this part to go inside the function, so indentation. So this function addition, it starts from here and end up till here. Okay, likewise we'll do the same for subtraction function. So I'm going to write def, and I'll name this function as subs and write it like this. Now we have written two functions. One is called as addition, which calculates the addition of two number. The other function is called as subs, which calculate subtraction of two number. Now to execute this function, I need to call them, because if I won't call them, they won't get executed. We can verify that by running this code. Let's enter the first number and the second number and see neither the addition nor the subtraction is getting calculated. So how do I call this function? Well, to do that, I simply go and write the name of the function followed by a pair of round brackets and run it. So let the first number be 12 and the second number be 10, and now you can see sum is equal to 22. Likewise, if I have to call subtraction as well, so I can call subs and run this program. Enter the first number 12, second number 10, sum is equal to 22, subtract is equal to 2. If I comment this out and run it, I will only get subtract 12, 10 and subtract is equal to 2. So to put it in simple word, functions are something which help us to achieve some sort of specific functionalities. Like in our case, it is addition and subtraction. Let me write one more function to calculate multiplication of two numbers. Okay, so def, and I'll name this function as mult and multiply is equal to num1 into num2 and print multiply. And in order to execute this multiply function, I have to write it here mult. Okay, and let's run this program now. Enter the first number 5, second number 6, and multiplication is equal to 30. So that's how you write functions in Python. And well, that's all for this video as well. If you have any questions, do post them on the comment section, and I'm gonna see you at the next lecture. Thanks for watching.